Your manufacturing floor is the heartbeat of your business. A mix of devices from different eras creates a patchwork that leaves gaps in your defenses, putting your uptime at risk. What if your network security could enable your business to do more, while bringing industry-leading security to the furthest reaches of your network? The Fortinet OT Security Platform is purpose-built to strengthen your security across legacy and modern systems. Secure networking solutions enable segmentation of IT and OT environments, ensure network access controls and MFA, so data, users, and applications are secure, and provide cyber coverage when you advance to 5G. Secure remote access ensures safe, visible connections for employees and third parties. For OT environments that are exposed to the elements, such as industrial production facilities, Fortinet also offers ruggedized equipment designed to weather even the harshest climates. The Fortinet OT Security Platform offers a unified security operations center, supporting your OT cybersecurity with SIM, SOAR, Deception, NDR, and EDR, all uniquely engineered to operate in OT networks. Backed by AI-powered threat intelligence from FortiGuard Labs, the Fortinet OT Security Platform continually delivers updated OT protocol support. Fortify your OT cybersecurity with the OT Security Platform for safe, available, and secure critical infrastructure.